If you're not sure, generally in life, guess. Yeah, ask a question for sure. But if you're still not sure, guess. I have heard on good authority that in America, they have exams where you are specifically trained not to guess. They're telling you that guessing is a bad thing. I'm like, whoop. Everything that you know is based upon guesswork. Everything that you do is based on guesswork. When you do anything, even if you have all of the information, you have to guess in order to understand exactly what it means and how to apply it. So guesswork is in fact the foundation of all human knowledge. Every single thing that we have and that we use and that every piece of technology has started with a guess. So guessing is not wrong. Guessing is what we must do, particularly when we're making music. If you've ever started an idea, you don't know if that idea is going to turn into a good piece of music, even if it's a great idea. Every single step you take, you're guessing that it will. So get used to guessing. Guessing good.